Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this galactic blue look. I feel like I'm flying off into space, but I wanted to give you guys some color since I know I usually do a neutral tone look for you guys. Alright, so we're going to start with Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing. And I'm going to take Pure 4-in-1 Liquid Foundation. For my concealer, I'm going to use NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chestnut. I'm going to take this flat foundation brush and just blend in my concealer. Go back in with my foundation brush and just blend it out. I'm going to use my Sacha powder and blot my face. For my contour, I'm going to go with the Pur Contour Diaries. I'm going to use Smashbox Photo Eye Edit Trio. And this is Nudie Pick Medium. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and I'm going to be using Danger. For some depth, we're going to add in Blackout from the same palette. Go in and blend the dark into the light. I'm going to take a clean brush and continue to blend. I'm gonna add over the top. And this is called Tearful. Just gonna set on with this BH Cosmetics brow gel. Matte Black Liner by NYX. I'm gonna take this on the inside waterline. I'm gonna take the same blue that's on my lid and go in underneath. I'm going to take Worth the Hype by NYX first coat. Let's go number 2, which I think it's so perfect for adding in individual lashes. I'm going to use Tearful again in my tear duct. My blush, I'm going in with BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to use for my highlight, I'm going to go with Girlactik Lustre Glow. For my lip, I'm going to go in with 50/50 by Lipland. I'm going to outline my lip with Empire. This will serve as my lip liner. So this is the final look. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this last video. I will have a link above, whichever side it's on, for my hair tutorial that I did to coincide with this look. So I know you guys love those hair videos, so click on that link above, watch it after, watch it before, watch it during, whichever you choose. Just watch it. And again, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe so you can get those notifications in your email. And comment below and let me know what you guys think. See you guys next time.